Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do another cook here on my Traeger. Today we're going to do a little, my version of kind of Chicago deep dish pizza in a cast iron pan. I'm not going to teach you how to make dough. You can figure that out yourself. I actually don't even know how. My wife made this for me. So as for the dough, you deal with that on your own. I'm going to teach you how to make the pizza and assemble it and throw it on the grill and cook it. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is olive oil your clean cast iron pan. So we will clean this bugger up with some olive oil just to keep the dough from sticking and just get it all up in there. All right, so with that being done, there we go. It's all good. Throw that over there. Now let's grab our dough, which has been rising for about an hour, 2 hours. So we're literally just gonna push it in there and pull it all the way out. Just get it nice and even around the whole pan. This is not a preheated pan or anything like that. The grill is being preheated right now. I've got my Traeger set to 350. So that's where we're gonna cook it at for probably 15 to 30 minutes depending. We'll check every 10 minutes or so. So, all right, just make sure it's in there real good. Make a nice lip, kind of a little bit of an edge for the pizza. There we go, make sure it's got kind of the same everywhere. Just push it down. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of cheese. So I've got a mixture here of marble and pizza mozzarella. So we'll just sprinkle some in there. If you have pieces of fresh mozzarella, obviously that is the way to go. But I do not have that today, so you make do with what you got. So we're gonna layer a little more cheese in there. And once that's in there, now I'm gonna put a little bit of onion. And like I said, you put your own toppings in. This is just how I like my pizza. So we got a little bit of red onion in there. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna put some pepperoni in. Another one of my favorites. Okay. And like I said, you do whatever you want. This is my pizza, man. Back off, cook your own pizza. But I'm just teaching you how to make a pizza in a cast iron dish on your Traeger. All right, layer this on there. Cool. All right, let's get her loaded up with some pizza. There we go. Looking good. And then actually we're gonna put a little bit of this, it's just pizza seasoning. It's from Epicure. It's actually really, really nice. If you want, you can use your favorite seasoning of any kind, but I actually really, really like this. So throw a little bit of that on there. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to add a bit of sauce. Like I said, these deep dish pizzas are a little bit different. So it's not quite the same where you put the sauce on the bottom of other ones. This is quite a bit different that way. So I had about a cup of sauce altogether. Here's what I used. And then I will just kind of spread it out nicely so it kind of goes everywhere. There we go. Don't need that no more. Perfect. So now let's have some fun. Let's add a little more cheese. Why not? So we're gonna put a little bit more cheese on there. And the last thing, if you want, I don't have any, but I would do this if I had it, so I recommend it, is adding a bit of Parmesan to the very, very top before you throw it on. Parmesan's awesome, it's salty, it just adds a lot to it. Sadly, like I said, I do not have it out here right now. So we'll cheese this up real good. And one thing I actually do right before I put it on again is I will sprinkle a little bit more of the seasoning on. And now we'll go check the grill, and if it's up to 350, we'll throw it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe 30, depending how hot it is. All right, we'll see you at the grill. All right, well, let's dive in here. I'm gonna try and take a cut out of here. See if we can't get a nice slice out of this. Never done this before, so But I love Chicago deep dish everywhere I go, so let's get another knife out here just to cut the edge. Make sure it cuts right through. Now let's hope this bad boy is saucy and cheesy and smells amazing. I really wish you could smell it, but you can't. So too bad, so sad. Beauty. You gotta get some deep dish in your life.